But allow me to say that this event is truly significant because it gathers together the members of both the public and the private sectors, and that is precisely the reason for being of the Regional Development Council, particularly the Economic Development Committee. And we are pleased that we have made strides under our joint leadership together with RD Rachel. We held the Boracay Stakeholders Forum that paved the way for the Task Force on Sustainable Development of Boracay. We also have, of course, our One Visayas Creative Expo that we hope to bring to Manila soon, under the new leadership of the Regional Development Council. And of course, today, the Western Visayas Biz Connects. But allow me to share a personal anecdote or story that would really reflect what public-private partnership is. When I started my entrepreneurial journey more than 20 years ago, I worked closely with the Department of Trade and Industry. And at that time, hindi pa uso, Sir Ken, ang micro na term. We call ourselves even backyard, no? Or very small businesses. Because when I started my business, I started it in our garage. And when it was filled up, our second house beside it was another garage. Thereafter, we moved to the neighbor's garage. And eventually, I think we were a nuisance already in the community that we have to look for a better place to be in. But all throughout, when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I was studying law in the evening, and I was doing business in the morning and doing newscasting early morning because of the morning show over ABS-CBN. But my journey was made meaningful and easy because of individuals who helped me, particularly the Department of Trade and Industry. And the focal person that helped me set up my business 20 years ago, we met many years after at the Regional Development Council. And when we saw each other in the RDC meeting in Bacolod, we were both amazed of the journey we have been. And at that time, she was already Provincial Director of DTI for Negros Occidental. Then moved to be Assistant Regional Director, and we found ourselves seated beside each other at the Economic Development Committee in my capacity as a Regional Governor of BCCI now, and in her capacity as a Regional Director of the Department of Trade and Industry. And that person is Regional Director Rachel Nofable. So thank you, RD Rachel, for the journey, which I'm saying is the essence of business conference such as this. How we bridge businesses, how we connect. Now that's why symbolic Panay Negros Guimaras Bridge, Sir Francis. The focal point, of course, is Guimaras. And because any endeavor that we pursue, especially for our young entrepreneurs, we need to collaborate. And we need the support of government, our local government unions. I see Ma'am Au, of course, in the audience, that provides us strong support in the things that we do. And it's not a journey that we take personally on our own, but it's a journey that we share with the people who work with us. And in fact, aside from RD Rachel, another significant person in my journey is Valerie Maravilla. That's why I would call her the mother of trade fairs in Iloilo and in Western Visayas. When nobody would trust my product, Val would buy my product. And that is how we build confidence in one another. And to this day, she remains to be an inspiration and a strong support to many young entrepreneurs, especially at the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So today we pay tribute to the men and women of the Department of Trade and Industry, ably supported by the NEDA team from the Regional Development Council, and we now call ourselves the Department of Economy, Planning, and Development, or DepEd. Okay, with thanks for the coaching from the very strong DepDev team. But today is really an effort of the Department of Trade and Industry, spearheaded by RD Rachel Nofable. Now this is her project, and we hope that this legacy project is something that the next set of leaders of the Regional Development Council will pursue and will further build on its strength. Okay, on that note, we say thank you to RD Rachel for your services to the community and to the Department of Trade and Industry for a meaningful activity. And congratulations to all of us, because our goal is we prosper together. That's the objective. Madamo, salamat, maayong aga sa inyo naman.